Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. And today, I'm just doing a quick update video on Coinezos. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get all the updates and on all the other videos that I will be putting out. And if you like the content that I will be providing for you today, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. That would definitely blow my mind if you could help me out with that. But guys, if you haven't had a chance to come over here and check out this platform, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can come over here and see what this platform's about. I have other videos on it, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on it. I'm just giving you an update and showing you my progress and where I'm at, what's going on with the platform, and showing you that the platform is still paying. All right. Now, I started on this program on May 8th. That's when I got into the program, and today, you all guys know, it's Memorial Day, Monday, May 27th. So I've been in it, almost going a month, and it's been paying out like clockwork. So I haven't had any issues, any problems. The payments come on time. There's no FUD. There's no playing around. All right. Now, as you see that I put in $465.73. I've already withdrawn $307.38, and they don't do anything on the weekends. They do Monday through Friday. And on the weekends, it's kind of they're off. They don't do any trading or whatever. But yeah, this platform has been going. It's been growing. It's the growth of this platform is crazy. I mean, it's a lot of people that are in it. There's a lot of people that are pushing this, that are doing offline marketing. So there's not a lot of people on YouTube really talking about it. I mean, there's a couple of people that's in this platform that are pushing it and trying to get it out there to you guys, and so for something if you want to get involved with it. But there's not a lot of hype. There's not a lot of pub around it. This is kind of like a little sneaky little sleeper that comes in, and and people are getting paid with it. Like I said, everything that we do in crypto is risky. So you all know, make sure that you come in with money you can afford to lose. I shouldn't have to say that in every one of my videos, but I have to, just because I want everybody to be transparent, and that way they understand what they're getting themselves into, because I don't want to push anybody or push any platform on anybody that feels like that they can just, put a bunch of money into something and then be rich tomorrow, okay? Because it doesn't work that way. It takes time to build these things up. You have to get in. You have to make sure you do your own research, your own due diligence. Make sure that you stay in tune with what's going on. Follow the right, YouTubers. Look what people are doing and see if this is, things that you can get yourself in position to be able to capture some of this cryptocurrency, especially in this bull market that's going on right now. Everybody's seeing it. It's happening. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do with your money, but if you've been paying attention to the market and seeing what's going on with Bitcoin, you see Bitcoin has been mooning here lately. But that's just up to you what you decide to do if you want to get involved with it. I use these types of platforms to build up my portfolio as far as my cryptocurrencies, because my goal is to have as many cryptocurrencies as possible and not just be stuck on one. I want to diversify and have as many cryptocurrencies that I can have, so that way I can build something in the future for my kids and things of that nature. That's what I'm here for. Everybody has a purpose on what they do and how they get into these different programs or whatever. Now, this program does offer a lucrative commission referral plan. If you do, guys, if you want to build a team with this, they pay out 9% on that. So, if you want to go out and you want to build your team with it, you can definitely do so. Or if not, if you don't want to build team, or you don't want to have, deal with anybody or go out and try to recruit or promote or do anything, you can just put your money in the platform and definitely, definitely start seeing seeing the ROI on it. Okay, now they have two different plans that they have. They have 121%, and that one lasts for 2 weeks. Okay, but you won't be getting paid out every day. That one, you'll get you'll get everything back after the end of the 2 weeks. So basically, your funds is held up for for a whole 2 weeks or whatever, how much ever you put in, and then they have the 5.5% that they pay per day, where you get paid out daily. Okay, you get paid out once a day for 5 days a week, and of course on the weekends you can't do anything because they don't do any trades on the weekends. Okay, so I don't have a problem with that, because I mean, in my opinion, I guess that helps out with the sustainability for a little bit longer. But we all know this is crypto. We all know these platforms are, they come and they go. So you have to make sure that you get in and do what you have to do, and make sure you take things to the next level. Just don't come in here and just start throwing large chunks of money if you don't have it. But if you have it laying around, and you got money that you can put in, then by all means put it in and work it. My strategy is always the same. It's never going to change. I come in and as soon as I'm into profit, then I start playing with my profit money. As soon as I'm whole again, then once I'm whole, then at that point I can start playing with my profit money, and I can put back into platforms or do other things with. And that's always been my strategy. There's no veering away from it. That's just what it is. And I highly recommend that you guys out there, you ladies out there, kind of do the same thing and understand that. Make sure that you get whole again first, and then whatever your profits are, you put a little in your pocket, and then you can reinvest back into the platform if you choose to try to kind of grow it. And then that way that you have a nice little income tucked away over there, so that way you can start building other platforms and start growing your cryptocurrency. That's always been my strategy. You can do whatever it is that you want to do, but the people that follow me or whatnot, I hope y'all understand what I'm saying and where I'm going. All right, now I'm gonna slide over here to FX Trader. I haven't talked about this platform in a while. I just been just letting it accumulate in the background, and I'm doing it just to, like I said, to grow my cryptocurrency. As you see in my balance right now, I have $60.80, which I can withdraw right now, but I'm not going to withdraw right now. I'm gonna let it build up a little bit. Total profits, I've already pulled out almost $500 out of here, 452 to be exact, if you want to be technical with it. But this thing is growing for me. I have they have the different plans that you can get into. I'll show you the plans real fast, what you can start with. You can definitely start off with $100 and pay with the $100 bot or whatnot, and it'll be $110 total, because you have to pay the $10 for the membership fee, and you can start there and gradually move yourself up. So if you bought this $100 bot today, and you got a couple of in a couple of weeks you made a little bit of money off of this, you can stack it up or whatever, and you put a couple dollars with it. So what you can do, you start with the $100 bot, okay, and you jump to the $300 bot, but you're not gonna have to pay $300. You're only gonna pay $200. All right, so you're just gonna pay the difference, because you already have this $100 bot, so you'll pay $200 to get the $300. And then when you want to move to the $500 bot, it's the same thing. You pay another $200 to move to the $500 bot, which means you'll have 5 bots running for you or whatever, and it pays up to 2.5%. Now I haven't seen the closest I've seen of this percentage is 1.91% is the highest that I've seen. It may have been higher or whatever, but that's the highest that I've seen. This is the bot that I have. I have the $500 bot that's kicking and rolling. It's paying out daily. I have no problems with it. Now my next goal, of course, is going to get into this $1,000 bot, which I do have the funds to go ahead and do this, but I'm growing my cryptocurrency right now. So I'm going to build some more profits up in other programs that I'm in. And then once I do that, then I'm going to snatch this $1,000 bot and then, hopefully just go up the ladder or whatever. But we all know, like I said, these are high risk platforms or whatever the case may be. They say that they have a AI bot that's trading in the background, that's moving and things of that nature. But it is a lot of people that are in this platform. I mean, upwards of 500,000 people are in this platform, and it may be more by now, so don't kill me if my numbers are wrong. But there's a lot of people that's in here. It's basically coming out of the Asian market. That's where they're doing it. There's a lot of people talking about it on YouTube, so you can definitely go check other people's video out and kind of see and get a better idea of what's going on. All you have to do is type in FX Trader on YouTube, and I promise you it'll be hundreds and hundreds of videos of people talking about this platform. So if you guys haven't had a chance to come over here and look at this, I'll leave the link in the description below, so you guys can definitely come out here and come look at this. And if this is something that you want to get into, by all means do it. If not, then that's fine too. You can just watch my progress and things of that nature. Now, I just want to explain something to you guys, because I know that you've seen the number over here that's low. That it's only I'm about to really break even on the $500 bot that I put in here. The $500 bot that I bought right now. I'm doing this with no referrals, so I'm just letting you know that I don't have any signups, any referrals. I don't have anybody on this account at all. There's no commissions, no nothing. This is just straight raw. This is just straight with nobody here. And if you don't believe me, I'm gonna show you, because if you come down, you can see that the plan bot 500, my status is active. Binary qualification is no. So I don't have any points. I don't have anything. There's nobody following me on my zero users, zero score on my left team. And then of course on the right team, there's a bunch of people that have flown in. It's 11,000 people that are here, that are on this, 1,183 people that are here on this side, on the right side. So I don't have any referrals. Nobody's coming in. So I just wanted to point that out for you people, so that way you can understand that you don't need to get people to follow you into these programs and to be able to make money. All right. Now, I still have a long way to go before I get to this 400%. So I've only, my progress is at 90%. So I still have a long way to go until I get back over here. So I have a long time to be able to, capitalize on this platform. Okay. So I'm just wanted to throw that, make sure to get that out there, because I know a lot of people say, oh, well, you get referral money and you have a big list and you have all this, that, whatever. Look, I just point people in the direction on what I do. There's nobody that signed up under me in this program. Not one soul has signed up on me on this platform. And I'm okay with it. I'm not worried about it. You see what I'm saying? And that's the way you have to be. You have to get in and you have to grind, because like I said, everybody that does anything online, they may not be the best marketers. They may not have the biggest followers and things of that nature, but at least this gives you the opportunity to get in and get your feet wet and start stacking up some crypto and be able to take things to the next level. And that's how you have to always look at it. You can't wait. You can't depend on people to make you successful all the time. Okay. Now, if you were to get referrals and things of that nature and people to join you, yes, this number would be a whole lot different, because then, because they're putting money in and you're making money on those people that sign up under you. Of course, that'll make your life a whole lot better. Okay. Anybody's life would be a whole lot better if you can get referrals and grow the business. But at the same time, you can still do it. You just at a slower pace. And so you just have to take that into consideration. And, just be patient, and eventually you'll get there. You just have to take the right tools, the right mentors, surround yourself around the right people, and they can help you get that, get your links out there, get your business to the next level. So just pay attention, guys. Just keep following. I'm definitely going to keep updating you guys on the platforms that I'm in. And then, of course, I'm going to definitely be putting together a nice little sales funnel for you guys in some of these different platforms that I'm in, because like I said, I don't show every platform that I'm in because a lot of them are real high risk, and I don't want people to jump in those, especially if they're new and they don't understand the way the cryptocurrency is working, and they jump in and then they lose their tail, and then it's a problem. Then they get scared away. So I wanted to try to bring more better sustainable platforms to my viewers on YouTube, so that way that people feel more comfortable about getting into some of these business opportunities or whatever. Okay, and that's the reason for that. And I just don't like just explaining hypes all the time. Yeah, I do get into some sketchy hypes. I'm not gonna lie and say I don't, but it is what it is. Sometimes you get into stuff and you want to get in there and you want to make you some quick money, whatever, and that's just what some of those programs are, just a quick money grab. That's why if you see anything in my description when it says money grab, that means that you need to get in right then and there. You can't hesitate. You got to get in right then and there and grind that thing out and get as much as you can. All right. So I just wanted to throw that out there. But guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content that I'm giving to you guys today. And I will catch up with you in the next video. But once again, this is Dom coming to you from All About Passive Income. I'll see you guys later.